Hello, this is Chris Sisson speaking from Market Together. Today's telling story making business. We had Jennifer Chrouch from Iceline Cleaning Services telling her story. So Jennifer, how was it for you?
Hi, good afternoon. My company is Iceline Cleaning Services. It's been running now for 2 years in Sheffield, specialising in domestic cleaning. So really enjoyed the opportunity coming today. Thank you, Chris, for inviting me to share my story and just to let other people know exactly what I do. And I am available if you need a cleaner. Do get in touch. Iceline Cleaning Service. Thank you.
Thank you. And here is Jemma Rosenthal, who was here and heard Jennifer's story. Jemma, how did you find her story?
I thought it was excellent. It was really well presented. She really captured the audience's imagination. She shared some really good things about her family and why she set up her business. Also, she just had a real passion for what she was doing, and that really came across. And she's I loved it.
Okay, thank you. And our next meeting on the 27th of February at Yates on Barker's Pool, the Storyteller, is me. So that is one that is not to be missed. And hopefully we'll see you there. Thank you.